Let's see how to type a squared symbol in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, to insert your squared symbol is very simple. First, let's type in our number. For example, we want 4. And let's go ahead and type in our squared symbol. Now, what you can do is use the superscript function in your Microsoft Word if you have one. Now, right here under font, you'll see that you have this icon right here with an X and a 2 above it. Now click on that, and that will put your Microsoft Word into a superscript form. Now click on 2 to type in squared, and as you can see, we now have 4 squared written on the document. Another method you can do, and that is probably shorter, is if you have a numeric keypad, you can simply type in and click Alt first on your keyboard, click Alt. Now click on 0178 on your numeric keypad, and that should result to a squared symbol or a superscript 2 in your Microsoft Word document. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.